Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to cover a topic from the electrical domain. It is under HVDC transmission, that is high voltage direct current power system, which are used to transmission of the DC of the bulk power over the long distance. You can see the definition on this page. One can read multiple details for this. So the system that we have designed is basically by taking the traditional system. Those are using the LCC and the CC systems. Those are what exactly? The CC and LCC, right? So basically for the transmission purpose, the two dominant type of lines commutated converter is being used, and even voltage source converter is one of the another type. But the system that we have used is basically with the CC, that is cumulated converter, and LCC, that is line cumulated converter. So the problem that we have defined in this particular system is that the if we are using the CC converter, then it are having the various disadvantages, that as increase amount of the harmonic in the system, which can cause the harmonic pollution to the power system. If we are using only LCC system, in that case it suffer from the various issues as single phase ground fault at the AC bus and many other. So removing these disadvantages, so we have designed one proposed system that I am going to show. We have implemented the system for LCC and the CC system with the hybridization. When I am running this simulation model, going to show you, we have designed this system for the AC fault as well as for the DC fault, and perform the analysis that whether our system is providing the efficient results or not, right? So the simulation is being performed, as you are seeing it is compiling, and will show the results, and also these results are saved so that can be analyzed later with the traditional technologies, that whether our system are improving in terms of output or not. This system is basically used for the long distance communication. As you can see, the DC line that we have used here is for the 300 kilometer, right? It can be increased or decreased, but there will be an impact on the output. So the system that we have considered as a base or the reference, that is using this distance, so we are using the same one in our system, so that we can show the improvement in our system, right? So as it is simulating itself, so the initialization is over there, it is running as the time is given by me is 1.5. the results will be shown in the scopes as I've clicked over this. So as it is taking too much time, you can see these are the simulation that is performed, but if we are going to wait for the whole, it will take a huge time. So what I am going to do, I am going to stop it and will show you the results directly, which I have saved, as I need to show it in the comparison form. So I am closing this model, and as the AC and DC both folds are being considered, so I am running the comparison model. So when I am running this particular model, it is running for the different scenarios for the AC and the DC, and finally doing the comparison with the traditional and proposed technology. As you can see, the results that we have achieved for the DC fault, for the AC fault, right? And it is showing that our system is giving better results in terms of the current and the voltage that we need to transmit. So these are the electrical topics, those can be covered for the MTech and the PhD research work, and even more modifications are still possible. So for more details, you can contact on the contact numbers given in the description. Thanks for watching the video.